What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks at the Nike outlet out in East LA. It's currently 11 o'clock on, what is it, 11 o'clock on Saturday. Let's see what we'll find, you guys. All right, looks like they got 30% off the clearance section, you guys. Let's see what's up. See what's up, man. Yeah, definitely don't have all the resellers that come here, so yeah. See, get these LeBron Laker colorway for 30% off. That's what's up, size 9.5. What color is this? This is like the latest one. This is size 9. Kind of in the size 10 area there. Oh, look at these, huh? Not bad. Not bad. The Jordan 34s. Yeah, pretty dope color. And like the material is interesting too. But yeah, man, these are hella dope. 30% off, man. Dope. Air Force mids. I think these are cool for retail though. But that 30% off makes it worth it, man. 95. Get it for 30% off. See, they do their own thing here because we saw these, the Nike Cortez, the Dog Days pack with the prototype Nike symbol before they came out. But yeah, 120. We saw this for what, 90 something just a little while ago. Just what, 30 minutes ago at the Citadel, man. That's crazy. Tell me these are going for cheap. Oh, really? And these are 30% off, which sounds like a really good deal. 200 sound, and then 30% off, 230% off. But yeah, we've seen these at we've seen these at various retailers going for way cheaper than that. Yeah, because 30% off, that'd be what, almost what, $57 off? I guess it's not too bad. 140 something. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Got the foam posits. Got the shattered backboard foam posits. Probably, well, not probably. They're hella expensive. $230. You get that 30% off, man. Comes out to a decent price. 10.5. Got the reflective 7s, man. These have been everywhere on discount. There you go. I guess you get that 30% off if you really want it. Zoom Freaks. Size 10. Get that 30% off. Damn. They got way more heat here than the Citadel. With the LeBrons. Was this a Christmas colorway, I believe? Yeah, 30% off. Damn, they got a lot of heat here. You guys better come here ASAP. So Vaporfly Next Percent. So they were trying to figure out if they should be illegal in the Olympics. Apparently there was a ruling, yesterday or the day before, saying that these are okay. Apparently these do fit the regulations. They came out some new regulations. So these are apparently going to be legal for the Olympics. But yeah, supposedly 45% or even more percent extra get a good advantage. Kyrie, got some Kyrie's. The Enlightenment, we've seen quite a few of these. 8.5, 30% off. See, like the deals on this type of stuff, not as good because had them for what, $50 or something? $60? Had them for a little bit less, but yeah, the Pegasus 35s, not bad, good price, 30% off. We're getting into the smaller sizes. Haven't seen one of these in a while. The LeBron 7 red carpets. Haven't seen these in a bit. Got a size 8. And we also got a size, and we also got another size 8. Go for retail, get that 30 off, man. 30 off, totally makes it worth it now. We're in the smaller section, down to Elliott's, $250. I wonder who makes the decision on whether $200 or $250, because we've seen that at $250 at a bunch of outlets. But yeah, get that 30% off if you really need them. Right above that, got some Air Max 97s, going for $160. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Too high though, price is way. I was gonna say, where are these? I haven't seen one of these in size 11s, you guys. Hey, 30% off instead of 20 now, that's what's up. Still in the size 11, Black History Month, going for $70 after the discount now. Up tempos, I have no clue what the price is, but I doubt they're the $40, $42 I got them for. More reflectives, still. These were selling for like $130 on their Nike website. I don't know why they do that, that's crazy. Size 11, got another pair. Another 30% off too. Got some more John Elliott, size 11 and a half, probably going for retail. That 30% off though. More Pegasus 35, 65 bucks, size 11 and a half. Get that 30 off, pretty decent. Mars 270s, buck 10, 30% off thing. Size 13s, you guys. Really not much, really not much. Got the Mars 270s, we saw these. Oh, these will go for 75 now. The extended size those, dang. Oh, they're clearancing out all the size 13s. 45 for those Pegasus 35s. Zoom 2Ks 40, get that 20 off. SBs, they forgot the tag on those. Because right next door, those will go for 35, size 12. What are these huge boots going for? Oh, size 12. Yeah, going for retail, I guess. 30% off retail. Some interesting boots, like suede material. Just going for retail, which is 170. Wow, that's surprising. These are not Jordan 13s. They're Jetman 2s. I don't know. Going for $140. What the hell? Who pays $140 for those, man? Who? Really? That's pretty much the same as every other outlet and retailer, man. These are the only Kobe's. Only Kobe's here. Like, these aren't terrible, but what are they called? The Air Max Axis? I just feel like you can get like way better looking ones. Like, I think I just paid this much for my Air Max 98s. It's crazy. So budget shocks, these are definitely not the Neymars. Got a few sizes. All right, they got these Spizikes right here, going for 90. These ain't bad, you guys. These are not bad. Nubuck, leather's not as great. I think the 312s, the leather on the 312s are a little bit better, but I do like the color blocking, and I don't mind these. I don't mind these. I wouldn't get them, but I don't mind them, you guys. 90 bucks. God, dang, they're only down to like 90 to size 12, 90 12, that's it. But the Mars 270s, big funds. Yeah, we're gonna skip through these. 312s, that's the cheapest I've ever seen them. Oh, they're going down. I swear these were $89.99, but so yeah, they're going down. Let's hope they continue. Hope they continue. More up-tempo 95s. These are what the Pippins, right? Hope these go down too. Got the foams. These still going down in price. Got so many of these. KDs. Got retail, man. We don't mess with retail. Air Max Plus. That's decent. New colorway of the tailwinds. These are actually pretty dope. Transitions from like the black to white up top. Goes gray. Not bad. 85. Little too high for me, but that's almost 50% off, dude. More tailwinds. I'm kind of whatever about these. These are still gonna fall. They're gonna continue to fall. 720s. My favorite colorway, the 720, but they're still gonna fall. Still plenty of sizes, all the way from like 7 to 12. The latest colorway, still going down in price though, man. Still going down in price. That's what's up. 720s, like, these are still gonna go down as well. Got the 270 Reaction 720s right there too. These are still dropping as well. I think I did skip by these, you guys. I did skip by these. Yeah, 65 bucks for the Odyssey React. Flying at 2s, not bad, not bad. Plenty. Two got 30% off the clearance apparel. But the clearance apparel usually is just regular price to look. Yeah, just regular price. So yeah, 30% off, I guess, a Garoppolo jersey. Mostly just regular t-shirts. Oh, 30% off of that. It's like a $9, $8 t-shirt, not bad. Not bad. More t-shirts. About 20 bucks. 30% off of that. Jordan shirt. 25, okay, 30% off of that. That's a solid find right there. XL LeBron jersey. Not bad. I think these are the authentic. This is authentic too. Normally goes for 200. So yeah, get it for well under 100 bucks too. That's what's up. That is what's up, you guys. Zach Randolph jerseys. Is he still with Sacramento? I don't even think he's with Sacramento, is he? Yeah, 60 bucks, 30% off. I think these are definitely the replicas. They'll normally go for 100, 110 or something. Aaron Donald jerseys. As it falls off. These are the field ones, kind of like the replica ones. Got this Jordan pullover. But yeah, it's gonna go for retail though. Yeah, you should get 30% off. Better than nothing with that quality. Yeah. Look at that quality, guys. Damn, got metal lace strips. Look at how thick the rope is. So yeah, the material is hella dope too. Got another clearance rack, you guys, with the pants, those sweats, you guys. I like these sweats, man. $50. Go $50, get 30% off. I swear I've seen them cheaper though, man. Dang it. They're normally 80 bucks, 70, 80 bucks. So I probably should cop, but I'm gonna, a lot of shorts. See, running shorts, 25 bucks, 30% off. But they do have like compression pants, stuff like that too. Dang, I have these pants. I didn't know they were go for 65, yeah. They only paid like 20 bucks for them, yeah. Graphic tees always on sale, always. They got really good selection too. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end of the video, guys. Pretty much about it. I didn't end up getting those shorts because, or I didn't end up getting those sweats because I didn't want to pay that much. I have a feeling that I can find them for cheaper. I'm also going to be hitting up the clearance store in a bit, so I think I'm going to find some cheap at the clearance store. We'll see what happens, you guys. See what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Oh, yeah, big old shout out to Heroes on Drugs. Thank you so much for saying what's up. Definitely do appreciate that. It was fun chopping it up with him for a bit because yeah, he and I think alike when it comes to sneakers and stuff, you know, because we're both cheap, or we both like getting good deals. That's why I see him so frequently at the outlets, because he's hunting just like I am, and just like many of you guys. But yeah, go check him out. He is a recording artist. He does do some hip hop and rap. So yeah, go check him out. I'll leave a link to his Instagram, like right here. Make sure you guys support your boy right there. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button, you guys. And yeah, you know I'm gonna have plenty coming for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel or just see me for the first time, or you've been watching for a while, you know, go ahead, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on that notification button because I do have a lot of videos that drop. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Peace. See you in the next one. You know I got plenty coming. Yeah. All right, where to next?